How to connect Telus Wi-Fi Booster. First of all, download and open the Telus Connect app on your phone, then log in using your MyTelus account. After that, connect the first Wi-Fi booster to your modem using an Ethernet cable. One end goes into the modem's LAN port and the other into the booster's Ethernet port. Now plug in the booster to a wall outlet and power it on. The app will guide you through the setup process, including naming your Wi-Fi network and setting a password. Once your first booster is set up, it's time to add more boosters if needed. Follow the placement suggestions in the app. It usually recommends placing the next booster about halfway between your modem or first booster and the area with weak signal. Plug in the new booster and wait for the light to turn solid blue. This means it's successfully connected. If the light doesn't turn blue, unplug the booster for about 10 seconds and plug it back in. Also, make sure all Ethernet cables are connected properly and your device is on the home Wi-Fi network. So this is how to connect a Telus Wi-Fi booster. Like and subscribe if this helped.